Now guys, we will practice together, and our goal is to create a function, and it should count the number of words in a sentence. Okay, so we have a sentence and I need to know how many words is there. So what does it mean? If you have some sentence, I will write it without function at first, okay? So I have sentence like I love Python programming. For example, how many words is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words, okay? Perfect. So if I need it, I just need to split this string according the spaces. Okay, so how we will do that? I will put here something like words, and I take sentence, it means I love Python programming, it's the string, and split according a space. Okay, so here we just write according what we need to separate it. So if I will print word, or sorry, words maybe will be better, okay, words. I will run it and you can see it's the list. I love Python programming. Okay, perfect. Now we know that there are 4 words. So if I would split it according, for example, O. Okay, so we have some O here, here, and here. It will be fun. So I love and so on and so on. Okay, so the O isn't here. It isn't there. Okay, but the rest is. So the first is this, the second is this, the third is this, and the fourth is this. Okay, it's without the O. So I just want you to know how it works. Okay, and we will separate by the space. Okay, so it means if you separate it by the space isn't there, so the space are erased. Okay, so perfect. And now if you need a number of words, you just write length of the list. Okay, and length of the list is 4. Okay, I love Python programming. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I would like to create a function, because for example I know that I would like to use it all the time in my code, so I need a function. So the first we will write def, and now some good name, for example count words, and here will be sentence. We call it parameter sentence. Okay, so at first the sentence will be like this. So it means I love programming, oh, I love Python programming, it will be the sentence. So the words will be sentence split by space. Okay, and now I just want to print length of words. Don't forget, words is a list. Okay, and it should be okay. Now I will comment it out, copy. So now I will count the words, or I will call the function and put here I love Python programming. Okay, so I put there, so I love Python programming. This is our argument. It is this parameter. So I love Python programming is the sentence. We take the sentence, it means I love Python programming, split it by space. So the list will be here. We store the list in the words variable and print the length of the list. Okay, so now if I will run it, you can see 4. Perfect. If I will use it for second time, something like Python is the best programming language. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sorry, it should go like this. Python is the best programming language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will run it. Okay, 6. Perfect. I like it. So I hope you enjoy it. We just learned something new. We just know how to split a string into the list, and after that we can do something with the list. For example, print the length of the list. Perfect.